good morning, and hello. Yes, we're going to a Dolphins game.
Unfortunately.
It's just to do something and have some fun, so
yeah.
Hopefully we have some fun.
Alright, we'll catch you there. Bye! Look at you go, baby!
Coach, put me in!
So we're parked in between East 21, the little staircase, East 22, and the Verizon sign.
Just in case we get too drunk. About to go get some food.
Oh, they're gonna get some food.
Double fisted!
Double fisted!
Hey, JK Adventures don't know that side of me.
Yo, JK Adventures, we out. Miami Dolphins. Y'all already know we had to leave halfway. Look at your mom. I think she's trying to get in it. But we had to leave because, you know, it just gets boring. We out here. You already know what to do. Like, subscribe, follow, share some love.
You're pushing me forward.
That's your mom. You don't see her face in the video.
No!
Jelly, oh my God! I hit her in the head with a beer. JK Adventures, we're still alive. We're still alive. We're still alive. Look at this guy. Everyone take a moment and appreciate this guy.